Today, we're drawing Rainbow 67 Brainrots. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. Start with a big circle, then a smaller circle inside for the pupil. Fill it in dark and leave one tiny white highlight so it looks cute. Under the eye, draw a little empty box. That's the hole inside the 6. Now outline the whole 6 with stair-step pixel corners. Keep it chunky. Add the small inner edges and corners like in the reference. Draw the connecting line between them, like they're a duo. Now give the 7 the same big eye, outer circle, dark pupil, and that tiny highlight. Symmetry equals instant cuteness. Build the 7 with the same blocky stepped outline. Keep the top bar long and bold. Add the inner edge line to give it thickness, like it's a 3D sticker. Drop a rectangular leg down from the 7. Then, add a little sock band 1 extra block layer. Keep everything straight and boxy. No noodle legs today. Draw a boxy shoe at the bottom, like a mini platform. Add the top flap, then the front face. Finish with the little circle botch butts on the front. Yes, it's giving hiddle. It's what a also. Repeat on the 6, a straight block leg down. Add the stacked segments like little bricks. Match the height so both feet land on the same ground. Build the shoebox the same way. Base block, top flap, front face. Then, add the little circles on the front again. Now they look like a matching set. Time for the arm! Draw a blocky arm coming out from the side of the 7. Build the hand like stacked rectangles, then split into chunky fingers. Keep the lines clean. This hand means business. Now give the 6 an arm 2 same block style. Add the hand shape and finger blocks to match the 7. And boom! Look at that! I love how this turned out. If you had fun, smash that like button and subscribe for more drawings. See you next time!